Ni muthenya mwega muno ni twakorwo twina marefari aria kiumia giki makoretwo magithomithio uhoro wa uria mangikorwo magithakithia mathako wega, uria mangikorwo mena ugi ucio munene muno na kuringana na mawatho ma FIFA no muthi nirio magukoragwo makigraduate. Nitrenda gucokeria ngatho His Excellency Governor tondu rungu rwa tongoria wake ntotete gukorwo na youth 49 ario muthi mathie na certificate yo togo Nyandarua ngimateithia ona mangithie nginya county ingi mangithie mabururi mange nginya kuria England certificate yo no mahote gukorwo merefari ku. Kwoguo nitwenda gucokeria ngatho nginya FKF tumana CEO wao muthi aria tunyitanire maituheaga instructor na nituwi riu mubira wa Nyandarua ndugukorwo uri ukoretwo na nitwauga aya maheo certificate nio magukorwo makirefa mithako yothe ya guku Nyandarua county.
First is to say that match officials in general are very key in safeguarding the integrity of competitions, specifically football, and ensuring then that sport develops, especially at the grassroots level. So today we are here in Nyandarua, and it's important to thank the Nyandarua government, led by the Governor of Nyandarua, His Excellency Francis Kimemia, Waziri, of course, we've been with her also here, and basically the whole sports department in Nyandarua. They have been very helpful, working closely with the Nyandarua FKF County Branch. We managed today to certify 49 match officials who will go a long way in ensuring that football develops in this part of the country. And for that we say thank you for this to the county.
Nitwauga referee atwa train nijwe kwina ongoing Governors Cup niguo governor no arahe anake no marathaka mibira no njurie anake ana waziri ni atuhakikishira umuthi anake ana iritu ya matrainwo guku muthenya wa umuthi no twende mahuthirwo kuria locals nigetha ona andu acio mekuu okone wa Njohi na kuria kungi anake atwa train umuthi makone mararef mibira.
Previously we didn't have leagues running, but after I took office I made structures good. Right now as we are talking, we've got 1 club in Div 2, we've got 4 clubs in the regional, and we have got 16 teams in the branch and more than 120 clubs in the sub-branch. The FKF National Office and the County Government of Nyandarua has made this possible. We've been having challenges with referees. I talked to the National Office, the CEO and the County Government of Nyandarua. They made it possible for referees to be trained.
Na nitwenda gucokeria His Excellency Governor Francis Kimemia tondu kiharo gitu kia haha Olkarau Stadium thaa ici ni hingo kirathondekwo wega muno nigetha gikorwo kiharo gia guthakira wega na nitwerwo nginya ni FKF chairman bwana Otieno ati kiharo kiu kiarika nimaguturehera teams from national kuma national ciuke ianjie guthakira guku na andu aguku mahota kuona ati teams cia kuria kungi ici uraigua nene iria ingikorwo igithaka ciakorwo igioka guthakira guku ona ithui andu aguku ni makuona ni ati onao hari ikinya-ini ni maiko magithie na to ino ya Olkarau turathondeka nginya ward ni tukoretwo tugithondeka iharo citu tugici fence tugiciikira goal tukihakikisha ni njega ciina facility njega na no tuguthie na mbere tukihakikisha twina iharo njega nigetha mubira kuma level ya ward ukitio oguo nginya county level ukorwo githakwo no githie na mbere wega.
Okay, it have been my passion to be a ref. So nimelearn vitu mingi sana. There are the laws, the 17 laws za referee nimesoma zote na kitu poa to be a good ref. Just talk less, imply the law. Yeah.
Hapa sasa kwanza naambia tu players wakuwe ready. Sasa tumekuwa trained na game yenye itakuja watapata qualified referees kutoka hapa county yetu ya Nyandarua na wa expect kufuata rules za FIFA kwa football na hiyo yote tutawasaidia kujua rules wakati tunachezesha game na we are strictly tutachezesha kulingana na